Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable horizon lock in GoPro. So what you need to do, let's take a look. So you see here at the bottom right corner this icon. So that means that this icon is horizon locked, as you can see now. But if you don't see this icon right here, what you can do is head over here to the middle where you see this max video. So max video is because I have this max lens on it. So if you don't have it, you will see just video, and if you press that, you will go to the settings here. You click on this pencil icon at the right side, and now if we scroll down a little bit, you see here horizon leveling. So if you press on it, you then go here to this menu where you can slide this toggle here up and down, and that means now that it's locked. And now if I swipe up, it's on. So this is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.